You got me shaking, yeah, I feel the fever coming on. Boy, you know you're all I want. Keep saying that.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another Sunday reset. You guys really enjoyed this video last week, so I wanted to make sure that I am sharing more of the things that I do on a Sunday. So I love these videos and I'm so happy that you guys enjoy them too. So in this video, you're going to get a lot of different things. I'm deep cleaning, sharing a grocery haul, doing some meal prep, and sharing a little bit of self-care at the end of the video. All I'm doing right now is just going ahead and starting a load of laundry. That is something I do daily. So just because it's Sunday, I didn't want to stop there. I wanted to start a load so I can stay on top of my laundry. So since I'm picking up groceries today, what I like to do is give my refrigerator a good clean. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the before, and what I'm doing just to make it less overwhelming is just doing one shelf at a time. So I'm taking some of the items off those top shelves, wiping them down. I am just using a antibacterial cloth. This is by Papaya. When I see anything that is yucky and sticky, I definitely add some soap to the cloth. So I had a couple of groceries that I picked up this past week that I hadn't restocked, so that's what we're doing right now. Also, after you watch this video, please comment down below and let me know any specific things that you want in these videos. I am really excited to continue to film these. They're very fun to make, and I hope just showing up and sharing these types of motivational videos will help set you up for a great week ahead. Even if you don't do this on a Sunday and you wait until Monday, that's totally fine too. It's really whatever works best for you and your schedule. I know these types of videos really help me, especially when I'm not feeling motivated or I'm trying to build a new routine or add new tasks or new things to my weekly routine. So as you can see, these shelves were super dirty, so I just took them over to the sink. I ran some hot soapy water in them and wiped them down. All right, you guys, so I am back from the grocery pickup. I did pick a couple of things up from Target that I forgot to order on this order. I'm a little out of breath. I just brought in all the bags from outside and it's hot here, so I'm a little out of breath, but bear with me. So the rest of the groceries are from Fry's, which is a Kroger brand store. Right here, I went ahead and planned for 4 different meals this week for like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then a takeout on Friday. So the first meal is creamy garlic chicken. Then Tuesday will be the Chipotle chicken bowls. And then we'll have slow cooker carne asada along with spaghetti on Thursday. So on this side, I needed to write all of the items or ingredients I needed for these meals. So I have all of these on that side here. So I went ahead and picked up 2 shredded bags of iceberg lettuce. Those are gonna be for the Chipotle taco bowls. I picked up some baby spinach. I got some grapes, apples, I did pick up some almond milk. I picked up 2 giant boxes of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and I also wanted to try a new cereal out for myself, and that is this protein cereal. It is Cinnamon Brown Sugar Crunch. I went ahead and picked up some Pop-Tarts, cilantro, these tortillas. We always pick these up. I went ahead and picked up these carb balanced spinach herb tortillas. So I went ahead and got a box of angel hair, 2 cucumbers, some limes, and then some sandwich meat. This is turkey breast. So I did go ahead and pick up some of these hamburger buns and some hot dog buns. And these are the ones, these are our go-to right here, these potato hamburger buns. I got some blueberries, 2 cans of this chipotle peppers and the adobo sauce, and I got 2 cans, one for this week's meals, and then I just got an extra one because I use these often. I got some of this salsa, a thing of tomato sauce. I just got the Kroger brand. Bananas. I like to put bananas in my smoothies. So I went ahead and got 2 things of cream cheese because one of them I'm using in a recipe, and I know that's gonna just go on by. And then I got cream cheese for bagels and forgot to order the bagels. My kids love to have bagels and cream cheese, and sometimes with some bacon or turkey slices on them, but I forgot the bagels, so I'm gonna have to pick those up this week. Classic Frank's, tomatoes, the Jimmy Dean fully cooked original sausage patties. I went ahead and got some sliced cheese for the spinach pinwheels, and then I got some Blasto butter popcorn. This has been a longtime favorite of mine. It's just so good, and my husband's finally coming home this week. It's been 8 weeks. He came home for one night, like for 24 hours or overnight, but he's been gone for 8 weeks total. So he's gonna come home, so we're gonna watch some movies, so I wanted to make sure we had some popcorn. And then I got a big thing of coconut oil. I got some eggs. I went ahead and got some of this Italian style blend cheese, some sharp cheddar shredded cheese, more avocados because I eat these daily, 2 loaves of bread. I just get the Kroger brand. A lot of the stuff I just get the Kroger brand, especially with the prices of groceries these days. It's crazy. I went ahead and got some beef flank steak. I got some ground beef and then also some beef patties. I got these 2 chickens here. So these are boneless and skinless chicken. I went ahead and grabbed 2 pizzas. I picked up this oven-ready home-style turkey. This is boneless turkey breast. I haven't tried this, so I'm pretty excited. It just goes from the freezer to the oven in under 5 minutes, so yay, there's no thawing needed. I went ahead and got a big bag of chicken breast. So then I went ahead and grabbed some Kroger brand French fries, some Texas toast to go with our spaghetti. For a snack, I went ahead and picked up this tomato and basil rice cakes. I went ahead and got a variety pack of these treats for the kids. And then I went ahead and picked up this skinny pack. All right, you guys, so that's all for the grocery haul. I'm gonna put this stuff away and then keep the things out that I need for the meal.
I wanna be young. I wanna be alive. Everybody dance, don't stop. I just need a minute to find out what I'm feeling, cause I'm about to go nuts. And my team is trying to say what's up. I've been waiting for this my whole life. Wanna do it again 3, 4 times. Cause it's better than a dream highway with young lean. I will never get enough. So high, what a life surprise. You're all I ever had in mind. I'm happy in the sky, a big case of desire. I will never say goodbye. That's right. That's right. That's right. I wanna be yours. Wanna be yours.
So here I went ahead and left some of the eggs out because we're going to be using a lot of eggs for one of our recipes today.
All night, I will show you how to run the red light. If you wanna, you can call me mine. Somewhere on the highway, under the starlight, you tuck me in your arms tight. Damn, it feels right.
Another thing I like to do on grocery day is go through my pantry and just reorganize it again, clean it up, put everything back where it goes. I definitely find my share of treasures in there, either things that don't belong in there or empty boxes that were left behind, stuff like that. So I'm just going to continue restocking, and then we're going to make our first recipe.
Everybody dance, don't stop. I just need a minute to find out what I'm feeling, cause I'm about to go nuts and love what I feel.
Okay, so I do have 3 recipes I'm going to share with you guys today. I don't want to make things too repetitive every Sunday. I want to share some of my favorite recipes and meal prep ideas along with some new ones. So we're going to go ahead and do something a little bit different this week. So we're going to be making a couple of breakfast recipes along with a lunch idea. So for the first recipe we're going to make today is blueberry baked oatmeal. I will make sure to link any recipes down below in the description box. This is super easy. You just throw everything into a bowl, you mix it up, and you put it into a baking dish. I love this one because it is so fast and easy to make. Also, I do recommend if you want something a little bit more sweet, if you have like a sweet tooth, I would add a little bit of sugar in there. If you want to add any more sweetness to it without adding sugar, just go ahead and put more blueberries in there. It is definitely a better option than adding sugar. So for this lunch idea, we're going to be making some turkey spinach pinwheels. And let me tell you, my daughter has been loving these. She loves that I made her own Lunchables. She says, I want mommy's Lunchables. They are good for the whole family, whether you have older kids, little kids, or for yourself. You're getting a lot of nutritional benefits from these Lunchables because of the carrots and the cucumber. Cucumber is so good for digestion. You have the grapes for when you have a sweet tooth. You can eat those instead of refined sugary snacks, and it's just yummy. You're adding that spinach in there, all good. Plus you're saving money because you're making your own Lunchables. Okay, so next we're going to be making some egg muffins, but we went ahead and switched up our old recipe. This time I'm going to be making them with egg whites. I've made these for years. We love these. They're just so quick and easy. You can just grab them, throw them in the microwave, and eat them on the go. Or if you just don't have time to make a full breakfast, you can just warm them up and eat them that way. So I have my daughter Ava, who is going to be 7 years old next week. Her birthday is on the 19th, but we're celebrating on the 16th. Anyway, I just had to throw that in there because I'm really excited, but at the same time, I'm like, how is she already 7? So she is doing the honor of making this recipe today. So what we're using is some sausage. We just have microwavable sausage that we broke up and put in there. We're using mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, and then we're going to add some spinach and the egg whites. And then to top it off, we do add some salt and pepper. Alright, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know in the comments any feedback that you have, any requests. Let me know. Say hi. Also, if you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe to the channel. And I will see all of you guys in the next one. I'm just going to go ahead and finish off my Sunday evening with Ava. We just like to do stretches. We like to do this every evening. And then I'm going to do my exfoliating mask, wash my hair, and that is all I have for you guys. So I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks, you guys.